Good morning, everybody. It is 9:36. I think I woke up at 7 this morning. I did sleep pretty good. Yeah, last night I was telling Graham that I saw his shadow last night, because he does this. He does this. He always sometimes stalks me like a dummy that he is. But he usually sometimes just stands, we always do this joke when we're going upstairs. We'll shut the lights off and whoever's up the stairs first kind of stops in the middle of the stairs or the hallway, and then we scare the crap out of the other one. So I thought that's what he was doing last night, and I said, Graham, I said, why the heck, I said, I swear I saw you in my bedroom last night. And I sleep in a different room, and the reason is because Ben is really scared of monsters right now, and he wakes up constantly through the night because he's so scared of monsters. So Graham kind of lays down with him, and I've been sleeping in the other room, so when Charlotte wakes up, those guys can sleep and I can stay up and do whatever I want. So it just works out easier for us. We've been kind of doing it for a little bit, but eventually we'll go back to normal. But right now this is what it does. Everybody's happy. So last night I'm like, Graham, why? Yeah, a little bit you can. I says, Graham, I swear I saw your shadow, you know, standing next to the bed last night. And I said, and I was yelling at you to go away. Well, then you backed up and you went to the door. And I'm like, Graham, get the heck out of here. And he's like, that's not good. And I'm like, it could have been my imagination, you guys. I could have saw something. I could have just had it in my head. Sometimes I freak out and have these things in my head. But, I mean, I wasn't, freaked out. And most likely it was my imagination, because I don't think my house is haunted. I don't think anything bad has happened at this house. I mean, we're the first time owners in this house. So, yeah. So what I am doing right now is I am writing prices down for certain things on how much the cups cost, how much the jewels cost, whatever other stuff I want to make. I'm going to try to figure out pop socket prices. So I'm just trying to figure out prices right now of how much everything costs me to make. Not including my time or anything, just how much supplies only cost. And I would want to know, would any of you guys be interested in a dog bowl? They have a bowl that I could, you know, bling. They got coffee cups, which I was thinking of possibly doing. A beer mug, a wine glass, what other ones I wrote down a couple different things. A flask. So I don't know, it's up to you guys, but if you're interested in something like that, I might do that. We will see. I think when I do a next cup order, which won't be for a while because I actually have quite a few cups, we're gonna figure something out. But that's what I'm doing. And then the next thing the next thing I'm gonna do is start kind of making a thing with my business cards and stuff, and see how much that's gonna cost me. But yeah, if I can get this all figured out, I'm hopefully get stuff posted in the next week or so. And then I think I might also sell wreaths, maybe. I have some, not my big full-on wreaths, but I don't know, I might make something. I was also thinking maybe I could make a starter kit for people, you know, if you wanted to do your own stainless steel cup and you wanted to do it yourself but you didn't want to buy everything, I could see if I could find specific supplies and make it as a bundle, and then you guys would just take it at home. You know, I think I might, and then you can still make your stuff. I was thinking of doing something like that, because then, you know, you just got exactly what you need for one specific cup. I think that'd be kind of cool. I don't know. Let me know if you guys would think something like that. I just think it'd be kind of cool to make your own little stainless steel cup. I mean, I would just supply the glue and then the pen, and then, you know, so I don't know. I'm just thinking. I got the dishwasher running right now. I got the laundry running right now. I plan on getting a lot of stuff done today, so I want to make this whole main floor immaculate. I did clear off some of my desk, you guys. I did. It doesn't look like it, but I am. But yeah, and then I want to get a tote and put it next to Graham's desk, because he has all these freaking shoes. I says, Graham, bring some shoes upstairs and put them in our closet. And I'm just sick of them overflowing. So I'm going to put a tote next to his desk, and he's going to throw his freaking shoes in there, and they're all out of the way. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to kind of work on the basement a little bit today. I'm going to work on my organization of my craft stuff. Ben dug a bunch of movies out, so I want to put those movies on the shelf. I might put some books downstairs. I have a lot of stuff to do today, and we're gonna make my cup that I'm gonna make, which I gotta figure out how much that's gonna cost me to make too. But other than that, I'm excited for a productive day, a productive cleaning day. I'm ready to get some stuff done, so I'll catch you guys back when I have more stuff done. Okay, you guys, I look like crap. I didn't wash my hair today because I'm gonna wash my hair tonight and do the whole curly thing overnight. Look at this. It's raining. Well, it was raining. It's sprinkling right now. We just had this huge heavy downpour come. It like got super dark, and then probably in an hour the sun will be out and it'll be hot as heck. But I told Graham today, I'm like, Graham, cool. I said, Graham, Charlotte's taking a nap right now. I'm like, Graham, take 5 items, 5 pieces of clothing, and donate them. You know how hard it was for him to donate 5 things of clothing? It was really hard. Like, I had to really, I don't even know, did you even put 5 pieces of clothing in there? I filled the whole box full of clothes to get rid of. He got 5 pieces of clothing, but we got there. We're gonna probably make another box of donation stuff and possibly drop them off today just so we have them out of the house. But I'm just waiting for my mail to come so I can stock them. But I'm gonna work on my cup and I'll catch you guys back. Well, hey you guys, so it is 4:17. My place is a freaking disaster again. I've been just kind of busy doing other things right now. Charlotte's just chilling. I'm gonna be putting her down for a nap. Graham just went and disappeared, and I'm like, where the heck is he? He went out to the pool, so him and Ben was looking for Daddy, and then Ben went outside with Daddy to go hang out in the pool, and I'm like, go for it. So I'm gonna be putting Charlotte to bed in a couple minutes, and I am gonna be picking up like crazy. I worked in the basement today for about an hour. I organized some stuff, put some stuff away, emptied some boxes, put some stuff in totes. So it doesn't look like I did anything, but I'm doing it little by little so I don't get overwhelmed. But I did put some more stuff in the donate box. I did throw some more stuff away. So I am getting some stuff done. I wanted to do a little bit more, but that's okay. I gotta empty the dishwasher, which I'm gonna do that a little bit, and load the dishwasher. I'm still picking up like crazy. Whoops, whoops, whoops. I made myself a Starbucks cup, and all of a sudden it doesn't want to work. What? Let me show you guys. I made a snow globe Starbucks cup, which I will be showing you guys how to do. I made a video for it, but all of a sudden now it doesn't want to work. But this is just the first one I did. It wasn't the greatest, but you know what? I got another one that I'm gonna do. All of a sudden I'm out of focus. So that's just drying right now. I'm gonna throw a ton of crap away. I've just had it. And then I'm still working on my cup, and I'm gonna pronounce your name wrong. Lashwanda? Is that how I say it? Lashwanda? Lashanda? Yeah, so I'm making her cup right now. And I put it out in the sun for what I did get, and it's awesome. So that's what's going on. Charlotte's getting cranky. I'm gonna probably put her to bed right now, but just look at this mess. It's just like, I don't even know what to do. Like, this is Charlotte's mess, 100%. This is all of Ben's artwork that was in the laundry room, put away, and now it's gone. I just vacuumed a little bit, but I'm gonna clean all this up. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You wanna go take a nap? And we got some boxes, so let's clean up some more. So it is like, what, 6 o'clock right now? Graham wanted to go to a park, and I said, go, take the kids, and he's like, no, I can't handle 2, so I'm like, okay, that's fine, I'll keep Charlotte. So he took Ben to go run off some energy, but I do want to say thank you guys for sending me coupons. I know Alice sent me some yesterday. I got some coupons from Lana. Thank you. You sent me some awesome ones. I love Persil, which I never get. I never get all. I never get whole blends, any of that stuff. So thank you very much, Lana, for those coupons. And then I got 2 envelopes from Carol. Thank you very much. I got a coupon, or got coupons from Tracy, and then I got coupons from Amber, and then I had one from Tony also. So thank you guys very much for the coupons. I'm gonna be definitely giving some to my friends to my friend that's currently pregnant when I go to my mom's house on Tuesday. So, because she's got a couple weeks to use those. So, pretty excited for that. I was working on the cup. I'm trying to go as fast as I can, but I also want it to be perfect. And it's just like, I'm not getting as far as I want to, but I'm kind of working on it here and there. I was cleaning up and then I got sidetracked, and now this place is still a little bit better, but I'm going to call my mom right now, and while I'm on the phone with my mother, I'm going to be picking up. So that is what I'm going to be working on right now. Grandma will probably be home probably within the next 30 minutes, so I'm going to clean up and I'll catch you guys back. So it is 10:06. I just got done preparing for Walmart and CVS. Grandma wants to watch a movie or watch a show tonight, so I'm gonna upload this video, watch a show, and go to bed and wake up at the crack of dawn. So I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. See you guys later. Bye bye.